Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Upwork saved searches for better job matching. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up saved searches on Upwork, start by logging into your Upwork account. Navigate to the job search bar at the top of the page. Enter the keywords relevant to your ideal job in the search field. You can specify your search by selecting the job category from the drop-down menu. After entering your keywords, click on the magnifying glass icon to initiate the search. On the results page, you'll see various filters on the left side. Adjust these filters to match your preferences, such as job type, experience level, and budget. Once your search results reflect your ideal job criteria, look for the Save Search option above the results. Click on Save Search and a prompt will appear asking you to name your search. Choose a descriptive name that will help you remember the search later. After naming your search, click the Save button to store it. You can access your saved searches anytime from the Saved Searches section in your profile. To receive notifications for new jobs that match your saved search, ensure your notification settings are enabled. You can customize how often you receive these notifications based on your preference. Regularly check your saved searches to see if any new jobs have been posted. If your job preferences change, return to your saved search to adjust the keywords or filters. This method will enhance your ability to find suitable job opportunities quickly. By using saved searches effectively, you'll streamline your job hunting process on Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.